All right, folks. This is Moshe coming to you live from the Moshe's Reggae Lounge, new location, Esquina Dr. Rosen and Pedro Crisante. We have a family in the house, and this beautiful young lady was captivated by my image, so she drew a picture of me. What is your name, baby?
Mila.
Oh, look how cute she is! And this, what did you draw for Moshe? She drew me. Look, guys. She drew Moshe.
And that's me.
That's me, right? And you? Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, wow. And who else? Who else is there? Just me and you?
Yeah.
Oh, that is
That's
good.
the music playing.
Wow. And tell us everything that's on the painting right now.
So then there's a fan.
Wow.
You have a drink at your food.
Oh, my.
And it says the love.
Oh, that's exactly. I'm going to show you what she was speaking about. And this one?
This one is the table where you talk to people.
Oh, you are. Tell them your name again.
Mila.
Neela, she's so cute. That's her little sister over there. What is your name, baby?
Sophia.
Sophia. They're both cute. This is their dad. This is their mom. Tell us your name.
Ksenia,
Where you from?
Russia.
Russia. Oh my, look at that. Russia in the house.
Yes.
You ever been to Russia?
National house.
And you, brother?
Yes,
Where you from?
I'm Haitian.
Haitian. Mi amor, la abanica, por favor. Pon la abanica. So he's Haitian, and they're having the curry goat. I want you guys to taste the food while I have you running on camera. Mi amor, you can plug it in right here. Look, baby. Okay, never mind. We got it. So now they're gonna taste the food. Go ahead. Everybody, we want a consensus of opinion.
They're rich.
What you think?
They're rich flavor.
Rich flavor.
Protein, yeah.
That's the curry goat. And guys, let's get it from the children's mouth. How do you like the rice? Oh, she likes it. And my artist, how you?
You have to take a bite.
She take a bite first and tell us how you like it.
A lot.
Ah, she love it. So this is the crew from. This is the family. His wife is from Russia. He's Haitian. And two beautiful children. Man, I gotta keep this painting of this baby.
We all live in New Jersey.
And they live in New Jersey from the States. And you're on vacation. How did you hear about Moshe's?
I read it on the internet.
You read it on the internet?
I have good reviews, so I wanted to try some native food. And second, by the water, you just get like the regular American type. We wanted something different.
You hear that? You get,
Goat,
this is the goat.
it's very good. It's very soft
You see that,
and
guys?
juicy meat. Yes.
Soft and juicy meat. That is the curry goat.
Really good. So it's a good chunk.
Good chunks of meat. And goat is very expensive, so I try not to sell it, but people don't care. They got the goat, and they with the goat it comes with plantains, cabbage, rice and peas. Then the cabbage
And plantains. Well,
and plantains. And they also order an order of planting. Now, guys, this is how I serve my food now because of this so-called virus. When you have knives and fork, regular plates, and you wash them, you don't know what's on it because soap and water doesn't always get these bacteria off. So I get these eco-friendly plates, so when they finish, we throw everything out. So there is no bacteria going around. So once again, guys, thank you from Russia with love.
Thank you, Moshe.
Thank you, my dear, and my brother from Haiti. And you, my love, sweetie pie. What? From mommy and yes, from mommy and daddy from the U.S.
There we go.
And you, pretty girl, mommy and daddy from the U.S. Right?
So
And
come
you
to
lo-
Moshe's.
How is the rice?
Amazing.
Amazing. Mommy and daddy say you love rice and peas, so I think that's right up your alley, right?
Yes.
All right, guys.
definitely.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal. I'm going to show you what the baby drew, okay? All right, so she drew that. She drew that says one love. And she drew the fan right there. She's an artist right away. So we have everybody in the house, guys. So once again, welcome to Moshe's Reggae Lounge. And remember what I said. Always speak good about people. Let them speak bad about you, okay? Don't speak bad about nobody. This is the new location of Moshe's Reggae Lounge. Pedro Crisante, Esquina Dr. Rosen. All right, guys?